guys, so today we are 1v1ing my fan over here, that is Berber Patapim at 6'7". Okay, he's a brain lover, but it's okay because oh wow, he's a 324 level and he said in the chat that he was playing in his brother's account. Let's see how I'm low-key kind of laggy. We're both in India actually, if you don't see it in the bottom. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my aim. Okay, he actually has the same skin. Nah! Not energy pistols. Bruh, energy pistols. Nah. Wait, he also has energy pistols. Knife. It's okay, I can use katana. Oh my gosh, no way. Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh, no way. No, he's actually... No. Bro, energy pistols, dude. Wait, I just realized I can use paintball gun. Nah, bro. Oh my gosh, 64. Bro. Dude, he's actually not using you. I have seen you got the exo gun bundle. Oh, thank you. Nah,
How he left you?
Mama.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, he keeps talking about killing me. There we go. Yo, chill. See, Mama, you messed it up. You deserve to gold 3. Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks. Oh my gosh. Let's go. We're not gonna 5-0. We're not getting 5-0'd. Let's go. Come back, and we do a comeback. Nah, bro, I'm fumbling. Oh my gosh, did I seriously? What just happened to my aim? I'm dead. I'm literally one shot. Let's go! That was one shot. Oh my gosh. GG's, I'm cooked. Nah! Dude! Katana spamming. Yeah, buddy.
But you play well.
GG's, bro. Well played. So now it's time to do a round 2 with the knife. Let's go. Gonna be in a vid. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Oh, he has so W skins. I think he also has ballet song. Y'all. Okay. Yo, chill. He has gold ballet song. No way. Oh, he also has ballet song. No way. I forgot. Nah. By the way, if you guys didn't know, if you hear that catching thing, whatever that thing was called, too laggy, I need to be in your US servers. Oh, US servers. How did that miss? Oh my gosh, no way. Let's go. By the way, teach me how to do pillar jump. Oof. Thanks. I guess. How did that not hit? How did that not hit also? 40, bro, are you kidding me? Nah! Not even a backstab, dude. No way. Bro, I'm one shot honestly at this point with knife. Not even a backstab. You can see in the bottom cry, dude. Not even a backstab. Not even a backstab. Your movement too good from mobile. Thanks, bro. I play on an iPad. I think I already know pillar jump. Nice. Nice! Oh my gosh, nah. Insane. Wait, I might win. Damn, bro, you're too good for real. THX. Close one, and how did that not hit? $40, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? How did that not hit? Nah, his movement is actually good because he's in computer. Oh wow, dang, he's good. That's a glitch actually called. Finally. I know, right? That was so much time. How did that not hit? 50, 40, are you kidding me? Come here, little bro, come here. Come here. Bro, you quit running here, bro. You keep running here. Bro, can you seriously gonna stand here and wait for you? Bro, why do I keep doing 40 and stuff? No. Oh my gosh, no way. No way. No way, he's actually good. Bro, you're waiting for me to strike. No, I'm not, bro. You are. Okay, dude, if I hit that. How did that not hit, bro? His luck is... Oh my gosh, I just did a glitch. Wait, I might win, bro. I might win. What the hell? Holy hitbox. Thanks, dude. No! Wait, I know a trick. Oh my gosh! No way! Well played, bro. Well played. Shout out to Berber Patapim, and he's a platinum and he plays really good. So bye guys, and comment down below if you guys want to 1v1 me. So bye guys.